Keras. Why is loss different for train underscore on underscore batch and test underscore on underscore batch when same input is being passed to both functions? I am passing the same input, i.e. same data and same true labels to Keras train underscore on underscore batch and test underscore on underscore batch. I want to know why I'm getting different loss values for both functions. Code.
The problem stems from feeding data to a model in train mode versus inference mode. Differences include: train mode, dropout is active, batch normalization uses batch statistics for mean and amp, variance. Inference, all dropout rates are set to 0, and batch normalization uses exponential moving average statistics for mean and amp, variance, computed during training. Other differences also apply. Assuming models used in your code are based on those in other questions, i.e. VGG, it'll be the BN layers. As a workaround, you can temporarily set a global learning phase via Note, however, that either of these must be executed before the model is instantiated, else changes will not apply. Also, this may not solve the problem entirely, as BN is known to have other issues, which I happen to be currently investigating, but results should agree a lot closer nonetheless. Lastly, if you first call train underscore on underscore batch and then call test underscore on underscore batch, the two will disagree because test executes after train has updated weights. Thus, call test underscore on underscore batch first, then train underscore on underscore batch. Full example. Try using k.set_learning_phase1 instead to see the difference, or comment it out entirely, as 1 is the default value anyway.